wheel. The Ferris wheel. Go to the carnival? Look at the carnival! And the horses. I can ride my old-fashioned motorcycle. I should, bro. They ain't open, or I would. What are you doing? You're driving 2 miles an hour. Watch out, you guys. I'm going through the intersection. Okay? Through the intersection. Ooh. What is that car? What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh my God, it's a garage sale! A garage sale! I guess I can't park on this road, huh? I'll just park over here. I'm gonna go to the garage sale. I can't believe there's a garage sale. Go shopping. Hopefully nobody hits my bike or steals it. Ah! You're huge, bro. Scared the out of me. Look at the bike. Oh my gosh. Picking up a bed or something. Oh, what is he doing? Oh no. Garage sale. These are some clean shoes. Oh my gosh. I should get this. Throw it on my bike. And pink. Bro. This thing's fluffy as a Pokemon with the flower. No bun. I see green. I should really get that for my bike, but it won't match. Oh, dude. No knife guns. It'd be cool to like shoot with the on the bike. Get the sawed-off shotgun. Be like GTA, bro. Don't worse. Trigger don't work. Legos. Always grab you a bag of Legos. You never know when you need extra. Bro, what is that? Little fish thing? That's creepy as hell. Hey, better look at that. Oh, look at that thing. Ew. Why did you have a fish? Thank ya! Bro, that truck way too big for a garage sale. What, are you picking up everything? You gonna buy everything from the garage sale? Garage sale? There's a garage sale. I really do want that peep though, but it ain't gonna match. That's the color I originally wanted my bike to be though. It's the original color. Oh shit, there's a student driver too. Bruh, you hit my bike because you a student driver. Well, that was fun. A little garage sale. Get out of here. God, blocking the whole road. What are you doing? You can't park in the middle of the road, dude. ripping on that dinosaur four-wheeler, bro. That's a dinosaur four-wheeler. Bro, that's dope as heck. That's a dope dinosaur four-wheeler. Look at that, GT. Roush, maybe. Pay attention, Jordan. Pay attention to the road. God, don't take it from me. That house is busted up. There's a hole in the side of the wall. Snap-on truck. Bro, there's another garage sale, dude. The garage sales everywhere. And that guy's pressure washing. Bro, that blue Honda right there, that was my first car. This guy's watering his plants. Oh, I don't want to be in the driveway. Roofing. I'm gonna pull up right here. It's hot, it's humid. I think it's gonna rain. Check this out. Yeah, this was my first car. He has a body kit on it. OEM. You turn that down. Tennis racket I used to play back in the day. Wait. Oh, I thought that mug was carbon fiber. Oh, I was about to take it. Oh, they got Reese's plush. Ah, Reese's cup, Reese's plush. Reese's is my favorite chocolate. Scalpel. Cut you with it. Rope. So I can hang you with it. A little snake light up. Cat play mat. Oh, it's gonna blow away. I didn't touch it. Oh, the snake's just on it to keep it from blowing away. I'm dumb. I'm a dumb. People still carry movies, like the DVD itself. Is that hair? Who did you kill? Did the baseball? Who did you kill?
Leave the keys in it?
No. You want to go for a ride?
Yeah. I got a Virago.
Oh, what?
Virago.
What is that?
It's 1100 Yamaha.
Yamaha? Oh, yeah. Sweet.
And you have a good day.
You too, man. Just the clothes. Don't hit it. Bro, use close. Use this close. This close. To get in your actually, this close. That right there. Get your speed. No, I can't see it running this car. So I'm gonna pull up. Ooh. Is that an Aparama? Put the kick thing up. Don't hit me. Ah! Hey, there's bolts in the road, bro. Did y'all see the bolts? The bolts in the friggin' road. Bolts. Bro, that would have ended my night. Would have killed me. Would have died. Hope y'all like this video. Oh, it's f***ing green, bro. What am I doing? What am I doing? Sorry. that the garage sale? Don't mind if I do. Where the heck is Tim? Rocky Bushy? Bushy? You're Bushy? George Bush? Squirrel! Squirrel! There it is! I found it! I found it! Milwaukee tools, bro. I'm gonna have to come get these. Yeah, my bike gonna fall over. See that? Leaf blower, Western table, Harley Davidson mufflers. Okay. The thing has a weird handle. And shows. How much? 15 bucks. Cool. How much for the leaf blower?
Oh, I'm doing 180.
180?
Comes with the box and everything. It's a big size battery.
Okay. Oh, hey. See, you could have took my bike for a spin. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good one. Mercedes. Oh, heavy. Let's get out of here, dudes. If I can. Yep, this thing is heavy. By the front door. Don't forget the kids on dirty mind. Childhood starts shining.